Hello, friends. I just want to say something about, organization. I've noticed that cleaning my kitchen is so much easier when everything has a place. When my cabinets are organized, I'm not searching for things or moving everything around just to clean. I can simply put things away, wipe things down, and keep moving. Organization really does make cleaning easier. So that's one thing I want to emphasize. That in this video, or pretty much when I do, cleaning the kitchen. Now, granted, I had already cleaned or loaded up the dishwasher, and yeah, I had already loaded up the dishwasher. And I also want to say this, and I've said this in other videos before, but I'm going to say it again. I use my dishwasher as more of a sanitizer, so I make sure to rinse my dishes off really well, and I don't have any food on them when I load them up into the dishwasher. So anyway, I hope this gives you motivation and inspiration, and I hope you stick around. Make sure you do subscribe so you can get all the alerts for when I post. Okay, guys, I'm going to just let the video go, as I will be talking later in the video. Okay, talk to you guys later. Bye. Also, I have kind of talked about this in another video. Now, people are probably going to be thinking, you do what now? But one thing I do, every time I load the dishwasher, I load it the same way every time. So, like, I know where certain dishes go, I know where the forks go, and everything. So, I pretty much organize my dishwasher when I load it up and then use it. So, I just kind of let you know that. But yeah, I load it every time the same way, guys. So that way I know how to load up the dishwasher. That way I can get the dishes sanitized. Okay, I just wanted to mention that. Okay guys, so as you can see, it has been it's different right here. But anyway, I'm going to show you guys kind of what's in there, so that way you know. As you can see, there is like, what you call some chemicals, like, you know, roach stuff or ant stuff or whatnot. And just a little bit of miscellaneous stuff right there. And in this drawer, as you can see, I think these light bulb thingies are for like the, what you call the bug killer, the zapper, what do you want to call it? And then of course that's some glass cleaner. And then we have like, I guess, a few paints right in here. We just wanted to make that stuff more accessible, because when it was in the other thing, we would have to get up here, lift the lid up to see what it is. Now, all we have to do is kind of come up here, open these, or look into the clear bins and see what they are. So anyway, hang on one second, guys. Okay, I have decluttered this, you know, cabinet right here, but I'm going to show you what I decluttered. It's right there. And there usually is a lot more in here. However, like these little, what's called jars, but they're being used up right now with the yogurt that we make. So anyway, but I think it looks a lot better up there. And anyway, that's pretty much it on that. So stay tuned. Okay, and one area I want to talk about too is this right here. So this has been working really good here. So this area too, with the Lazy Susan, it's been working really good, so no complaints there. And as far as the organization down here, it has been really doing really good. Of course, I haven't really had to get to all the other like really products yet or anything like that, but otherwise it's been working really good. So I wanted to give you an update on that. Okay, and as far as like an update on here, like I said, I haven't really had to really get in here per se and all that stuff, but so far it's been doing really good. I love the way I've got this kind of organized and stuff. So far it's working really good. Okay guys, so that will be a wrap for this portion of the video, whatnot, and all that stuff. I may add a little bit more to this video, but anyway, it is like 1:48 at night. Yes, I do a lot of my cleaning late at night, especially in the kitchen area, because everybody's gone to bed. There's nobody else in here, of course, but me. So that's the reason why it's easier for me to do just especially the kitchen, kind of late at night. Anyway, we'll see what happens. May add a little bit more to this video. So, like I said, stay tuned. Do make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe. Okay, see you guys in a little bit. Show. So guys, I wanted to kind of give you an update. So yeah, the hydrangea, it was doing good, and then I took the what's called the plastic covering over it, off of it, and then it started kind of, I don't know if you call it dying again, but I guess it's dehydrating, or what do you want to call it. So anyway, I put it in the plastic bag thing again, the jar, and then now I'm putting it in the soil, and I'm hoping it'll save the hydrangea. So anyway, I'm going to keep you posted on that and show you something else. I planted a what you call a flower right here in this pot, but unfortunately the summer really killed it. So, but we got plenty of seeds, and we're going to try again next year. And this was the seeds I got from my uncle's memorial, who passed away in April. So anyway, I just wanted to kind of give you an update. You know, sometimes you have things that work out, and sometimes you don't. So anyway, just wanted to give you an update on that.